There's another one here.
Yeah?
Box over there.
Big one?
A big one here.
Oh, well, we gotta get that. We need some more meat. I'll step over here. Oh, that's nice. He's no bigger than a fucking raccoon, brother. Huh?
Look at him up the tree.
Yeah, picture.
Look at him up the tree. Jesus Christ.
You're a lucky bastard. I'll get you in about another fucking 7 years.
Yeah.
I'll just keep feeding them. Right, Roy?
Yep.
We'll just keep feeding them and keep feeding them. Now, can we put some of that bait in that bucket and you'll be all set? You'll come back.
You can, that, well, that,
I mean, it doesn't have to be in the bucket, right?
no, no.
No.
About 7 years, you'll come out of there and be dragged out of there, buddy. You won't
Well, that monster there that we got last year,
Yeah.